Hello everyone, welcome to this Trinity B1 English speaking practice. In this video, we'll use simple English to help you prepare for the UK visa or citizenship exam. Today's topic is cooking. Let's get started. Good morning. What's your name?
Good morning. My name is Anna Silva.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
And where do you live now?
I live in Manchester, in the north of England.
How did you come to the exam center today?
I came by tram. It was very convenient and not too busy this morning.
Why are you in the UK?
I moved here 2 years ago because my husband found a job in Manchester. I also study part-time and work in a cafe.
What do you like about living in Manchester?
I like the cultural diversity, the music scene, and the friendly people. The city is lively, but also has nice parks.
Now let's talk about your topic. What topic have you chosen?
My topic is cooking. I'd like to talk about my personal experience, my cooking style and preferences, challenges I face while cooking, how cooking relates to culture, and my social life and future plans with cooking.
Can you tell me about your first experience with cooking?
I first started cooking when I was a teenager in Brazil. My mother was very busy, so I helped in the kitchen.
Who usually cooked at home when you were young?
Mostly my mother, but sometimes my grandmother taught me traditional recipes.
Did you enjoy cooking when you were a child?
Sometimes. I liked helping, but at first it was difficult and I made mistakes.
What type of food do you like to cook most?
I like cooking traditional Brazilian dishes like feijoada, but I also enjoy pasta and stir-fry.
Do you prefer traditional recipes or trying new dishes?
I like trying new dishes because it's fun to learn about different cuisines.
Do you usually follow a recipe or cook freely?
I usually follow a recipe when I try something new, but sometimes I cook freely using my imagination.
Do you find cooking stressful or relaxing?
Mostly relaxing, especially when I have time. But cooking for many people can be a bit stressful.
Have you ever cooked for a large group of people?
Yes, I cooked for a family party once. It was challenging, but everyone enjoyed the food.
Are there any traditional dishes from your country you like to cook?
Yes, feijoada and pão de queijo. I love cooking them because they remind me of home.
How is cooking connected to your culture?
Cooking is very important in Brazil. Family meals are central to celebrations and traditions.
Have you tried cooking international dishes?
Yes, I've cooked Indian curry and Japanese sushi.
Do you think cooking can teach you about other cultures?
Yes, each cuisine has its own ingredients, spices, and traditions. Cooking helps me learn about them.
How important is food in social events in your country?
Very important. In Brazil, food brings people together at parties, festivals, and family gatherings.
Do you like cooking with your family or friends?
Yes, I enjoy cooking with my husband and friends. It's fun and we share the work.
Do you ever cook for special occasions?
Yes, I cook for birthdays, holidays, and family dinners.
Would you like to cook professionally in the future?
Maybe one day. I would like to open a small cafe, but for now I cook at home for enjoyment.
Are there dishes you want to learn or improve?
I want to improve baking skills, especially bread and pastries, and learn more vegetarian dishes.
Do you like cooking at home or eating out?
I enjoy cooking at home. It's relaxing and I can try new recipes.
Good. We'll continue with the next part.